Hey viewers, today we have Manali Vora with us. Today she will be sharing her scoop with all of us. She is basically a commerce student from Mumbai University and completed her MBA from SITM. So that is Symbiosis Institute. So hi Manali, how are you?
Hi, I'm doing good. How are you?
Great, great, great. So how is lockdown treating you? Working from home?
Yes, working from home and doing household chores, everything, managing two things at the same time. But yeah, it's working thing.
Great, great, great. So Manali, can you take our viewers through your background, the profile?
Yeah, so I've been a commerce graduate. I've done my graduation in BCom from Nursing Monji College of Commerce and Economics in Mumbai. And while pursuing my BCom, I had attempted doing chartered accountancy, but it didn't work out. So I went ahead and pursued MBA. That was as per my skill set. So yes, I then prepared for the MBA. I cleared SNAP, that is a Symbiosis entrance test, and pursued MBA from Symbiosis Institute of Telecom Management. And post that, I did my internship in Pune only. That was a fintech firm where I was offered a pre-placement offer. I continued the job there for another year as a key account manager. And post that, now I'm back in Mumbai doing a job with another startup in the marketing domain. I'm in the strategic alliance team right now, working since last 6 months. So yeah,
Oh,
that's all about it.
great, great, great. So, commerce to a college which is into telecom management. So, I am sure you must have had a lot of challenges to cope up with. So, can you take the viewers through it?
Yes. So the first expression that I always get is why commerce and doing telecom. So firstly, SITM was not only about doing telecom management or doing only engineering subjects or the perceived notion that you have, which even I had, but more or less it's about technology. And I think you be in commerce, you've done engineering. Technology is something that you can't just give it away. So yes, there were a lot of challenges during my course of MBA because I was a commerce grad. There were subjects that were technology inclined, which I was not much familiar to. There were subjects relating to telecom. At the same time, there were subjects that had a that were relating to finance, that were relating to marketing, that were relating to business aspects, which I excelled at, which is why I somewhere managed doing well in my MBA also. So yeah.
Okay, great, great. So, let's go a bit in flashback and let us understand that you thought of doing an MBA and then you started with your journey for the preparation. So, how was your
Yeah.
preparation? What were your experience in regards to the GD, PI, and the group exercise or whatsoever is conducted at Symbiosis?
Yeah. So I think the preparation itself was a roller coaster. There were a lot of uh, challenges that I faced. In particular, my strengths when it comes to subjects were quant and logical reasoning. At the same time, I was fairly pathetic. Not pathetic, but yeah, struggled a lot doing verbal and doing DI. So yes, I used to always do sit and do cons all the time and ignore verbal. But at the same time, you realize that somewhere excelling one subject is important. At the same time, maintaining that average for each subject is also important. So then I started doing verbal. I started reading novels. I started reading news. I started doing more exercises relating to uh, improving my vocab and things like that. So yeah, somewhere it helped. Especially there was a section in Snap and other, I think other competitive exams also had GK. That is also a problem for me. So read a lot. Reading a lot, I think, helps the best during that period of time. GD Pivot preparations came a later in the second phase when I was through, like I was through the competitive exams. In GD Pivot, I remember I was doing an analysis of what is current, what are the hot topics, preparing stats around that, speaking to self, talking in the mirror, because a lot of time it happens that you have knowledge but you do not know how to express it. So that is also important, expressing yourself in the correct manner. GD pivot, it was necessary how you're portraying yourself, what you're wearing, how you're sitting, the body language, everything needed to be checked before I appeared these snap or the Symbiosis interview. The interview went pretty well. I had couple of interviews in Pune. Yeah, there was a group exercise. There was a writing test. Simply, that was more abstract, which is why I think I did better job at that. Abstract writing. Some pictures were shown, and it was hard to comprehend that. So yeah, this is all about the MBA preparations.
Okay, great, great. So you completed, I mean, you appeared for SNAP, cleared it, went to GDPI, cleared it, and then entered into SITM. So can you give certain insights about the college which only a student would be knowing about?
Firstly, a fun fact: SITM is no longer called SITM; it's now called SIDTM because the telecom department is also into digitalizing things. So now it is called Symbiosis Institute of Digital and Telecom Management, which is why I mentioned that it is not a telecom driven college. It is a communication and technology driven college, which not many know. Many go by the name, and therefore more of the engineers turn out. Secondly, the campus where I lived, the mess, it's a residential program. Just to mention a fun fact, I was not until my MBA. I was in Mumbai only. It was the first time that I was out and exploring the such a student life. So it was very. The ambience is beautiful. It's on a hilltop. The entire hilltop is a Symbiosis. So the environment around is very, very mesmerizing there. And thirdly, the professors there are like, because it is technology driven, all or majority of my professors are uh, like, they are the industry experts. They are already in the industry or have uh, extensive knowledge, or you can say experience of working in an industry. So yes, so that is it about
Oh,
SITM. Let me know.
okay, great, great, great. And one more question, like before MBA and after MBA, I am sure you must have got a lot of skills. So, what are the changes that you see in yourself after doing an MBA?
So first is a confident self when you go out, being a fresher, being in Mumbai for doing like studying from home and doing everything from the hometown only, going out, exploring. And at Symbiosis, there was just not one community or people like only from Maharashtra or from a particular region. I had an exposure of people all around. I made wonderful friends. The personality overall change pre MBA and post MBA, because MBA not only, it's not a coding or more of theoretical. We give presentations all the time. We give, like, it's more of what I say, interactive program. You uh, I was a part of an extracurricular team that organized an international level event. So the exposure that you get out of your internship, the job, the during the entire process, automatically brings changes in you somewhere.
Okay, great, great, great. Acha, so that's it from my side. Last but not least, any pro tip for the aspirants who are working out there for this entrances or for the GDPI, or also are looking for admission in the this good college like SIDTM?
Be it any college, what I would suggest is, don't go for any preconceived notions before you, like while you're preparing. While you're preparing, just prepare, concentrate. Obviously, there should be a list of dream colleges that you have, but you should not have ki this college has only engineering. I'm a fresher, I'm an experienced person, I can't do this, I can't do that. Don't get blocks in your mind when you're preparing. Obviously, when you're done with it, you have results in your hand. That is the right time you do the research and get in depth analysis and everything. But when you're preparing, just don't worry about all of these things that I am a fresher, I don't have an graduation marks, I don't have this, I don't have that. That should not be a kind of thought process you should have while preparing. It's just prepare, prepare, and prepare while you are preparing.
Okay. Chalo, great. Thank you so much, Manali, for your time, and we wish you luck for your future endeavors.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye bye.